In this video you will learn to change colors in your video, leave just one color in your video, change your video background, duplicate your anchor, and add beat to your video, all using just your smartphone.
Hi there, welcome. How you doing? My name is Samuel from the Cinnamon Academy, an online platform we established the aim of teaching how to use our phones to make animations, visual effects, and more, all using just one smartphone. What we actually do is we go ahead and research on how things are done in the media with expensive gears, with some expensive softwares, and we see how we can create the same thing, the same effect using something much cheaper. That's what we do. So today we're going to show you how to make 3 advanced effects using just an application on your smartphone called Alight Motion. The first effect is the replacement of color effects. Actually change the color of your clothes, your background, or anything. All you have to do is open Alight Motion, click on the video you want to click on effects, go to color and light effects, move down, go to spot color. After you go to spot color, you would see it already big out to a new panel. The first panel where you can actually choose the color you want to remove, and the second where you can actually go ahead and put the new color you want. You can use this effect to change your clothes, change your background, change your set, change the color of anything you say possible. And the second effect is where you can actually desaturate every color and leave just one color again. This effect is always actually very good, which we've seen a lot in pictures where everything is black and white except one particular color. Some do it in videos too. You can do this effect very simply and add it to your video. It makes it look wow. All you have to do, of course, is Alight Motion. Open Alight Motion app, go straight, click on the video after importing it, click on effects. After you do that, all you have to do is go to color and light, move down to one color, just move there and click on the particular color you want to change. You can increase the feather threshold or further increase the saturation to make that color stand out. All you have to do is just pick on the color you want to use, and that one color will stay. Effect you need to do is the keying effect. How to move your green screen. If you are very new to keying or green screen, all you have to do what it means is just simply changing your background. You have a plain background, there's a way to tell your videos or your application to remove a particular color out of the background. So many times they use the green because there is no green in your skin, except you are sick, of course. But if you use a white background, if you remove a white background, you should have a white eyes. If you remove a black, you should have a black hair or black eye, pupil, black something. You then go ahead and click your video, click on the video, go to effects, click the mask key, and you see the chroma key. Almost any video editor can do this, as long as your video editor supports you to add chrome key to your video. Once you see chrome key or chroma key or chrome key, click on the chrome key, remove the green, and that's it. Very simple. You can just adjust it a little bit. You can do this in KineMaster, Power Director, almost any advanced application on smartphones. Well, the first link in the description to go ahead and check out our classes where we actually give you a list of some 5 different applications, 6 I think, where you can actually best applications for smartphone you can actually start using. The fourth effect is the modification effect. Of course, when you remove your background, you can duplicate your character, make it 2, make it 3, make it as much as you want, duplicate it, put one behind, put one beside, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Just duplicate your character. That's the third effect. The fifth effect is adding beats to your videos. You can do this for a music video, so you can go ahead and all you have to do is add beats to your video. In the previous video, we explained about how to add camera shake. So should how somebody added camera shake to a video, a music video, overexposed actually, but a good way of adding beats, and you can add beats to it. Well, a way to do it in Alight Motion, we've discussed that before. So I'm going to show you another application. You can also do this very simply. You can either use Power Director or Pixma. In Power Director, you have to do is import the footage and go ahead and click on the footage, go to the effects panel, go to beat and add beats, and that's it. You have very good beats added to your video. So that's it for the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit a like, subscribe, the notification bell. I don't know what bell is it actually. Just hit on the bell button because this is what we do every week. We show you how to do some creative stuff using almost everything you have. Go ahead and check the first link in the description to check our website, and you will find some of our videos, training videos, lots of free videos there with paid ones, of course. If you don't like the video, just waka pass. Anyway, we'll see you in another video. Always remember, creativity is in you and it's priceless. See ya. Believe is the key. When you believe, you can make anything happen. You can make a stone come straight into your hand. The cup is in. When you believe, anything can happen. Believe.